Hey, are you ready for a brand new start? Get out of that tightness of anxiety and move your life forward? Start dreaming again? Well, this is the place. Life crafting is what it's all about. I have been teaching it for over 2 decades all around the world. I'm Kraft-Kristaine, and I want to help you to understand better how you can create your life exactly the way you want it to be. My greatest wish for you is that you will sculpt your life, especially right now, into exactly what you want it to be, and that is after you have sculpted yourself to where you want to be. So let's do this together. Let's build some houses and build some businesses and build some energy and power. And please, it's so very important, hit that subscribe button down below and the notifications button so that you don't miss a single episode of the videos I'm releasing, at least one a week.